On this week's episode, we're going to take a piece of stainless steel from this to this. Now this is one of them ones, depending on the finish you're after as to how far you want to go with it. But you're going to want to grab some wet and dry sandpaper, starting at around 400 grit and ending at around 2000. A buff and polishing kit, and some backing pads for your sandpaper. This job's actually for a family member, and I believe these two signs are going to be the showpiece on a set of mud flaps. You can see here straight off the plasma table, when using just compressed air and not a shielding gas, it leaves a lot of oxides and black dross on stainless steel. So first off, we're going to have to get rid of that. Removing all this black oxide and dross was probably the biggest time consumer for me. Starting here with some 400 grit. I like to spend a bit more time on the 400 grit, making sure you've got the part nice and flat before moving on to the next grit. But basically, you want to make sure you've got all the scratches out from the grit before moving on to the next. And keep moving up finer grits until you got the finish you're after. You don't want to rush this part. What you're seeing here in around 2 minutes took me well over 45 minutes. Pretty much using the same theory here, you want to move along your buff and pads and compound until you've got the finish you're after. And here's the finished product. I think for around $50 and a little bit of elbow grease, these things have turned out brilliant.